One of the biggest things that teachers can do is actually help children to be critical thinkers. Our role is not so much influencing, but it's exposing children to facts and information and to pose questions.
We take sustainability quite seriously within St John's Grammar. We look at introducing sustainability right through all the design of all of our new projects and what can we do as a community to reduce the impact to the environment. And one of the major initiatives that we introduced going back 3 years ago was solar. We look at water harvesting off our existing roof structures or our existing site, and we use that water to irrigate our grounds and gardens.
Powerful education is education that's relevant and authentic, and children start asking things like, can we put on more solar panels? What else can we do to reduce our footprint? What if we set up committees to turn off lights? One of the things that attracted us to solar schools was that children can actually see visually in front of them what we're currently doing right now, how much we're generating, and also how much we're consuming. It gives them evidence, and then it gives them a platform to spring new ideas of how they can act every day around the school to make it real and to make an impact and make a difference.
We've got a duty of care, particularly around sustainability, and if we can educate our students and the community about the good things that we're doing here in St John's Grammar, we're pretty confident that that can also be then transferred to outside of the school and equipping with those students with some knowledge and some key fundamentals around what it means to be good sustainability stewards. Then I'm pretty confident that we've done our job.
I think it's really important that everyone gets the education about sustainability, because when we are all older we can piggyback off each other and make our world just a better place.
Children are curious by nature. It's amazing actually what they already know about climate change. It's amazing what they already know about sustainability, and if they are a part of it, then they help lead it. And as teachers, they actually are teaching us things as well.